आप सब अच्छे होंगे और अपना काफ़ी ख्याल रख रहे होंगे। Another day, another episode and welcome back to my vlog. Just going for breakfast now, guys. We will see if we at all go out because it's raining heavily. It was, so right now we don't know. Morning, everyone. So I'm at the breakfast area at the restaurant and now ready to have some breakfast. I showed you earlier it's actually raining, so right now we don't know if we at all want to go out, but surely I can take you for the breakfast. So let's go. Guys, look at the wind. Oh my god. Guys, the way we are going to the cliff. Hi guys. So you know what? The rain has finally stopped, but it's a little windy. Anyway, since it's my day off here, I am not willing to stay in the room like throughout the day. So I and my colleague have decided to just step out, walk around the hotel because the city is locked completely. No restaurants are open, so no point going to the city anyway. So we'll just walk around the hotel, explore the area a little bit, and probably go to the supermarket, do some nice grocery shopping, and yeah, that's about it. So do stay connected and join me. Hi guys, good evening from Dublin. We have just decided to walk around the park. As you can see from my hair, it's so windy, and we're not willing to go to the cliff. We'll catch cold. So the rain has stopped finally, but entirely it's not a good weather. No, even I don't have. There's a supermarket there, guys, as you can see, Tesco. So while we come back, we'll just go there if we have time still. Guys, I'm not carrying a winter cap. Biggest mistake ever. So look what I did to my head. That's Priya. Oh no. So guys, after walking in the park for some time, now we have decided to head back to the hotel and go to the supermarket as well, because now it's getting darker and it's drizzling also. So we really don't want to get stuck in the rain, that too in this cold weather. Yeah. So guys, look at the sunset. That's our hotel. So we are just going to the Tesco and we would buy some snacks. Let's see how it is. I'll show you around as well. We are finally back to the hotel and now very hungry, so I'll show you what we have got. So it's our dinner time basically. It's the vegetarian pizza, this is sweet potato fries, and this is chicken fillet burger. That's it. Hi everyone. So I'm back to my room from the dinner with my friend. So I thought let me just show you some of the stuffs that I got, especially from my skin, before I end the episode today. So yeah, let's have a look. Guys, I have shopped for all of these products, so let me show you one by one. As you can see, this is Healthy Aging Serum. It's a facial serum with snail gel, and it's very popular worldwide, and I've been looking for this product for so long, and Dr. Organic is one of the best products that I've used so far, so you may try as well. Just have a look. Then there is this Pro Collagen Anti-Aging Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and biotin. Again, it's for oily to combination skin. They have other skin types as well. It's paraben free, as you can see. Then again from Dr. Organic, I've got Organic Tea Tree Face Wash, which suits my skin a lot. It's tea tree treatment gel 5-in-1 for pimple, any scars, you know, which stays on your skin for long after pimple, and it's very effective, to be honest, so you may try. Then I have got Dr. Organic Aloe Vera Micellar Water to remove makeup. All these products are really good. I could really strongly recommend, and I'm not getting paid for that. This is hemp oil shampoo and conditioner, one of my favorites again. And then again, multivitamin tablets, very important for all of us. So yeah, that's what all I got. So guys, this was really a short video. Honestly, I didn't even want to shoot a video today because, as you could see, I'm not really in a mood, and plus the weather was nice in a way, but not nice for vlogging, I would say. And I could not go to some places, firstly because the entire city is in lockdown, and the only places we were supposed to go were ones which were closer to the hotel. And we really wanted to go to the cliff, but due to the weather we are not allowed to go there, so I could not shoot anything much. So I just thought, let me just have a walk and show you around, and that's what I did. So hope you liked it, and if you didn't like it, I'm so sorry, but I thought, why not show you a little bit of Ireland, little bit of Dublin, and that's what I did. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next soon with something really exciting, and until then, stay safe and stay connected.